Hey, it's Tor here at Co-Kinetic. Now, I'm very excited to show you some new functionality that we have got on the website. It's a new feature which allows you to rebrand some of the patient-facing content that we create in your own branding. And I apologise in advance if the dog is barking because she's in a really barky mood this morning and she might just chip in. So, without further ado, let me show you how to find this content for starters. In order to be able to do this, you need to have a subscription to one of our subscriptions, and you can find those on the Co-Kinetic, there we go, cokinetic.com/pricing. If you go to that page, you will see the different subscription plans that we have, the full site with the marketing system, physical therapy or massage therapy. So you need one of those subscriptions. All three of those subscriptions, as you can see down here, includes access to the patient resources and leaflets, and then you just need the upgrade if you want to rebrand them. So that's the first bit you need to know. Now let's just go and show you where to find this content that you can rebrand. There's two places you can go. The patient information and resources can be found under the main content sections, but the easiest way to find it is I've put a new link under here, which is to the brandable content, are all the ones that you can brand. So if they have this tag called brandable, you can see it with the little tag there, then you will be able to add your branding to these ones. You can also find it, a quick link to it, in this tag cloud, which appears on most pages on the website. And if you want the URL directly and you just want to save that into your browser windows, then it's there, cokinetic.com/tag/brandable. Okay, so the second question I need to answer is how do you upgrade? I've logged out here just for the purposes of showing you how to do it when you log into the website, but if you can either go to the pricing page, and if you scroll down under that table you will see a purchase the upgrade button, and if you click that it will add the upgrade into your basket and you can go ahead and do that as normal. I'll clear that for now just so that I can show you the other way. So the other way would be if you are a subscriber already and you have access to that content, you would just log in as normal. Okay, so we've logged in and we're going to go to the brandable content section. Let's take one of these first leaflets. Let's take this one for example. And if you click on this link here in the media contents, so this is the access to the PDF. If you want to, ordinarily, if you don't have access to it, you will get this box which pops up which says, would you like to add your branding to this piece of content? If you want more info, you click on that and it will open another window taking you to the branding page which explains more about how it all works. If you don't want to upgrade, you click the no thanks button and you will just be taken to the normal newsletter without the branding on. And if you do want to upgrade, you just click upgrade me, and again that will pop the product in the basket. So that's how you go ahead and purchase the upgrade. And so I have now purchased that upgrade. Now we get to the cool bit. So let's take us back to this newsletter again. Just use the same PDF, and again you click on this PDF, and this time you get a message saying, would you like to add your own branding to this piece of content? Yes please, no thanks. So this is if you've purchased the upgrade, this is the message you would see. We click yes please, and hey presto, your banner is added to the bottom of the content. Now we're just ironing out a small issue here where this isn't centering slightly. I have no padding around the outside of my logo, so it's positioned it slightly high on the banner, but we're just ironing that issue out. But as you can see, we have on here my company name, telephone number, an email address, and there's a website address here as well. So that is what it looks like, and I'm going to show you now how you change those settings. Okay, so the place that you're going to change the settings for the bottom of that footer is, these are media windows. They open up new PDF windows, so you need to go back to your original window where you were in the piece of content in your account, which is here. I've got it opened in another tab here, but if you want, we can just close it down and access it from here. So you click My Account, you go to My Account Details. Now, if you have access to the marketing system or you have this branding upgrade, you will see a new tab under the My Account Details called Branding Details. This is where all the important stuff happens. In here, you need to fill out 4 fields, well 5 actually. You need to upload a logo there. You need to add your company name in under the company field. The sent from address is the email address that will show up on the brandable content. It just gives you a little note under here just so you can be sure. Ignore the call to action telephone number. That's relevant to our customizable landing pages only. The telephone number that you need to make sure that you've got entered for the brandable content is this telephone number here, and it says this is the number that will show on your brandable content. These settings are all the same for both your landing pages if you have access to the marketing system as well as the brandable content, so you need to try and find something that works for both. The other field you need to fill out is the website address, and the last three fields that you need to worry about are the background colour of the footer, so that's if we go into one of these leaflets, that is this colour behind here. I've been rebranding a lot of leaflets today, but that's that colour, and then the footer text colour is here, so this is white, and these are the icons. So if we look in here, this is where you set the text colour for the text that's in the footer, and this is where you choose whether you want a white or a black icon, depending on what the background colour of your banner is. So that gives you an overview of all the settings you need to get your branding onto our brandable content. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to get the best out of your logo and the different colours that you might have going on, and how to set backgrounds so that it all fits and suits and it looks really impactful on the page. You can find that if you go to YouTube and you go and look for Co-Kinetic Journal, and under there you will find a category under playlists called Developments to the Co-Kinetic platform or the Co-Kinetic website. If you go and click on there, you'll see some recent posts I put on there along with this video and also the logo video. So I will see you on there. Cheers guys.